My name is Adam Jamal. First of all, I'd like to thank you for downloading Quranic. It all started with the simple idea that my friend Hani Khan and I had to bring Quranic Arabic to every Muslim's hand. And Alhamdulillah, after a great crowdfunding campaign, we were able to raise the funds that we needed to make the first version of this app. I hope you enjoy using it and learning from it as much as we have enjoyed creating it. Quranic is a great way to learn the most important part of the Quranic language, vocabulary. It all starts with the first lesson. You'll notice that each lesson consists of an introduction screen that lists the words you will learn. You also see the percentage of the Quran's words you know. Then you will begin the story. Each lesson starts with an illustration to help you remember the story and visualize the words and verses you will read. Then you will see multiple types of exercises, including a fill-in-the-blanks exercise, a true and false exercise, multiple choice, and word matching. Each lesson contains new words as well as old words. At the end of the lesson, you'll see all those new words again so that you can review them. And completing one lesson will unlock the next one. The other very important feature that students love using is our word quiz. I have one student who told me he loves using it at the gym because he needs to rest for 1 minute in between his exercises, and the word quiz lasts exactly 1 minute. The quiz feature shows you words that you have learned in the lessons, and it asks you to remember their meaning. But it doesn't show them to you randomly. As you complete the quiz more and more, the app will actually learn the words that you don't remember, and it will show you those words more often. So you will get more practice with them and less practice with the words that you are already good at. You may have to do the quiz a few times so that the system starts to learn your skill level. That's it for now. Remember that a daily habit will ensure that you get the most out of any learning language experience. Thank you for tuning in. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.